Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel where we delve into the fascinating world of health and wellness. Today we've got a jam-packed episode for you about the powerhouse hormone, testosterone. Now this isn't just the hormone that makes men, well, men. Testosterone is absolutely crucial for a whole host of bodily functions. We're talking about its critical role in developing muscle mass, keeping your bones strong, and even its role in regulating mood and enhancing memory. But did you know that what you eat can directly influence your testosterone levels? That's right. Foods like oysters, which are rich in zinc, or pomegranates, packed with antioxidants and even ginger, can all potentially give your testosterone a natural boost. But hang on, it's not just about what can boost it. Some foods can be testosterone busters. Consistently consuming these kinds of foods can actually lower your testosterone levels over time, and you don't want that. The symptoms of low testosterone are not something to brush off. We're talking about the loss of muscle mass, sleepless nights due to insomnia, episodes of depression, and yes, even a lowered sex drive. So stick around as we dig deep into what you should be eating, what you should be avoiding, and why it's so important for not just men, but everyone to understand the role of testosterone in the body. Let's get into it. First on our list is the humble flaxseed, often touted as a superfood. Now, before you go sprinkling it all over your morning yogurt, let's dive into the details. Nutritionally speaking, flax seeds are quite the powerhouse. They are high in fiber, which aids in digestion, and they are a rich source of alpha-linolenic acid, or ALA, a type of omega-3 fatty acid known for its anti-inflammatory properties. But here's the catch. These tiny seeds are also loaded with lignans. Lignans are phytoestrogens, or plant compounds that mimic the hormone estrogen in the human body. What's more, they are known to increase levels of sex hormone-binding globulin, or SHBG. So, why is that a problem? Well, SHBG binds to free testosterone in your bloodstream, rendering it inactive. Essentially, high levels of SHBG can lead to a decrease in the amount of free or active testosterone in your body. Now, you might be asking, is there any scientific evidence to back this up? Absolutely. Research has shown that men who included just 2 tablespoons of flax seeds in their daily diet experienced a drop in testosterone levels by around 10–15%. Now, that's a significant decline, especially if you're someone who's already dealing with low testosterone levels. So, if you're concerned about keeping your testosterone levels in check, you may want to reconsider how much flaxseed you're incorporating into your diet. Next up, we're diving into the world of cooking oils, specifically those rich in polyunsaturated fatty acids, or PUFAs. Now, PUFAs are commonly found in a variety of cooking oils you might use daily, including soybean oil, vegetable oil, corn oil, sunflower oil, and even margarine. While they are often promoted as heart healthy, there's more to the story when it comes to testosterone. The issue with these oils lies in their high concentration of omega-6 fatty acids. While omega-6 fats are essential, having too many in relation to omega-3s can throw off the delicate omega-6 to omega-3 ratio in your body. A skewed ratio like this can result in inflammation, which is a significant concern because inflammation is known to negatively affect testosterone production. You might be asking, is there scientific backing for this? Absolutely there is. Multiple studies have shown a negative correlation between the consumption of polyunsaturated fats, particularly omega-6 fatty acids, and testosterone levels. In other words, diets rich in these fats have been linked to lowered levels of this crucial hormone. So if you're looking to maintain or even boost your testosterone levels, you may want to rethink your choice of cooking oil. It might be worth exploring alternatives like olive oil or coconut oil, which have a more balanced fatty acid profile and are less likely to mess with your hormones. Moving on to a popular herb that many of us enjoy, mint. While it's loved for its refreshing taste and is commonly found in everything from teas to toothpaste, mint, particularly peppermint and spearmint, could have some not-so-refreshing effects on your testosterone levels. The primary concern here is that these types of mint may induce oxidative stress in a crucial part of the brain called the hypothalamus. The hypothalamus plays an integral role in hormone regulation, including testosterone production. Oxidative stress here can potentially disturb the signal sent to the testes for synthesizing testosterone, thereby affecting your levels of this essential hormone. You might wonder how robust the scientific evidence is for this claim. Well, although most of the research is based on animal studies, the results have been quite significant. Rodent studies where mint teas were consumed showed a marked decrease in testosterone levels, suggesting that the herb may have a similar hormone-disrupting effect in humans. So, if you're keen on maintaining or increasing your testosterone levels, you might want to reconsider how much mint, especially peppermint and spearmint, you include in your diet or hygiene products. Moving on to another substance that's often enjoyed socially but can have significant physiological impacts: alcohol. While alcohol may be known for its ability to temporarily elevate mood or induce relaxation, it also has a less talked about downside: its effect on testosterone levels. Alcohol's impact on testosterone levels isn't just anecdotal, it's backed by scientific research. Chronic and heavy alcohol consumption is known to interfere with the endocrine system, which governs hormonal regulation, including the production of testosterone. A study published in the journal Alcohol and Alcoholism discovered that alcohol directly inhibits the secretion of testosterone. Another study in the Journal of Clinical Endocrinology and Metabolism found a dose-dependent relationship, meaning the more alcohol consumed, the greater the decrease in circulating testosterone levels. Animal studies have also provided insight into this relationship. In rodent models, researchers found that alcohol significantly reduced the animal's testosterone levels, corroborating what has been observed in human trials. The mechanism for this is thought to involve both the hypothalamus and the testes, which are critical regions for hormone production, including testosterone. So, what's the takeaway? If maintaining optimal testosterone levels is important to you, considering your alcohol consumption could be crucial. The scientific evidence suggests that limiting alcohol could be an effective strategy for managing your testosterone levels. Let's delve into yet another food item that's often regarded for its health benefits, but might not be the best choice for everyone: licorice. Known for its anti-inflammatory and immune-boosting properties, licorice is a common ingredient in traditional medicines and herbal teas. However, its impact on testosterone levels may give some people pause. The culprit in licorice affecting testosterone is a compound called glyceric acid. This compound has been shown to inhibit 11-beta-hydroxysteroid dehydrogenase, an enzyme that plays a critical role in the conversion of hormones, which ultimately influences testosterone levels. The effect of licorice on testosterone isn't just a speculative claim, it's supported by scientific studies. A notable study published in the Endocrine Journal found that men who consumed licorice root extract, which contains glyceric acid, experienced a significant drop in testosterone levels within just a few days. The reduction was as much as 26% in some cases, making it a non-negligible impact, especially for those who are concerned about maintaining healthy testosterone levels. So, while licorice may have several health benefits, its potential to negatively influence testosterone levels should not be overlooked. If you're someone who's keen on maintaining or boosting your testosterone, you might want to reconsider including licorice in your diet. Next on our list of foods that could impact your testosterone levels are soy products. Common in various forms like soy milk, tofu, and soy protein powder, soy-based foods have long been a staple in vegetarian and vegan diets due to their high protein content. However, their influence on male hormones might be a matter of concern for some. The primary issue here lies in soy's phytoestrogenic isoflavones, genistein, digoxin, and glycine. These compounds are structurally similar to the human hormone estrogen and can interact with estrogen receptors in the body. The concern is that these interactions could potentially interfere with the levels and activity of testosterone. While the scientific literature on this topic is somewhat mixed, there are studies pointing towards a potential negative impact on testosterone levels. For instance, a study published in the journal Human Reproduction found that men who consumed high amounts of soy products had lower sperm concentrations compared to men who did not consume soy. Though sperm concentration and testosterone levels are not the same, they both are influenced by male hormones, and this could be a significant indicator of soy's effect. It's also worth mentioning a meta-analysis published in Fertility and Sterility, which noted that isoflavone intervention, such as through soy consumption, had no significant effects on testosterone levels in men. However, the range of dosages and types of soy products used in the studies included in the meta-analysis were varied, leaving room for ongoing debate. While soy products offer several nutritional benefits, their impact on testosterone levels remains a contested subject. If maintaining or increasing your testosterone levels is a priority, you might want to be cautious with high consumption of soy products. Trans fats are primarily found in processed foods, such as baked goods, snacks, and fast food items. While these fats have been widely recognized for their role in cardiovascular diseases, they also have a significant impact on hormonal health, including testosterone levels. Firstly, let's talk about inflammation. Trans fats are known to induce systemic inflammation by increasing the levels of C-reactive protein, an inflammatory marker. A study published in the Journal of Nutrition linked systemic inflammation directly to lowered testosterone levels, suggesting that the inflammatory response triggered by trans fats may be a mechanism for the decline in testosterone. Secondly, trans fats contain high levels of polyunsaturated fatty acids. A study in the Journal of Steroid Biochemistry and Molecular Biology found that diets high in polyunsaturated fatty acids led to a decrease in testosterone levels by disrupting the activity of enzymes crucial for testosterone synthesis. This study adds a biochemical explanation for why trans fats could lower testosterone. Furthermore, a comprehensive review published in the Journal of Clinical Endocrinology and Metabolism corroborated these findings. It pointed out that men who consumed more trans fats had not only reduced testosterone levels, but also lower sperm counts and more irregular sperm shapes. Rodent studies published in Reproductive Biology and Endocrinology also substantiate these findings, demonstrating significant declines in both testosterone and sperm counts when the diet is high in trans fats. Finally, research in the Asian Journal of Andrology elucidates that trans fats impair the function of the enzyme 17-beta-HSD, crucial for the conversion of androstenedione to testosterone, thereby providing a mechanistic insight into how trans fats lower testosterone levels. Therefore, if you're concerned about your testosterone levels, eliminating trans fats from your diet is an evidence-based approach supported by multiple scientific studies. Processed foods and sugars include items such as fast foods, sodas, and snacks that are high in added sugars. These foods are not only detrimental to your overall health, but can specifically affect your hormone levels, including testosterone. The principal issue here is the high sugar content in these processed foods, which is strongly implicated in insulin resistance. A study published in the European Journal of Endocrinology found that high levels of insulin resistance are inversely correlated with circulating testosterone levels. This suggests that as the body becomes less responsive to insulin due to high sugar consumption, testosterone levels may decline. Insulin resistance leads to elevated insulin levels, commonly known as hyperinsulinemia. According to research in the Journal of Clinical Endocrinology and Metabolism, hyperinsulinemia has been shown to inhibit the production of luteinizing hormone in the pituitary gland. Luteinizing hormone is a key hormone responsible for signaling the testes to produce testosterone. A reduction in luteinizing hormone, therefore, would result in lowered testosterone synthesis. Furthermore, a study from Diabetes Care indicated that men with insulin resistance, a common symptom of excessive sugar consumption, often have low levels of SHBG, sex hormone-binding globulin. Lower levels of SHBG mean that more testosterone becomes bioavailable, but this also signals the liver to produce less SHBG, which in the long term can lead to an overall drop in total testosterone levels. Another mechanism by which high sugar diets could affect testosterone is through oxidative stress. According to research published in Life Sciences, high sugar diets can lead to increased production of reactive oxygen species, which can impair the Leydig cells in the testes responsible for testosterone production. If you're concerned about maintaining healthy testosterone levels, reducing your intake of processed foods and sugars is an evidence-based approach supported by numerous scientific studies. All right, folks, there you have it. A comprehensive look at some of the foods that could be affecting your testosterone levels. As we've discussed, it's not just about the foods that can boost your T levels, but also about the ones that can work against you. Science has shown us that certain dietary choices can either help or hinder your hormonal health, and I hope this video helps you make more informed decisions. If you found this video helpful, do me a favor, hit that like button, and if you haven't already, make sure to subscribe for more in-depth videos on health, nutrition, and overall well-being. Got any questions or thoughts on today's topic? Don't hesitate to drop a comment below. I'd love to hear your thoughts. And remember, the science and research are continually evolving, so it's crucial to stay updated. Make sure to consult healthcare professionals for personalized medical advice. Thanks for watching, and until next time, take care of yourselves and make smart choices for a healthier, better you.